Algorand cost especially equivalent to $0.0997 a coin in a fundamentally huge manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0996 0.1021, or so they fundamentally thought. The earlier day close. 0.1013, or so they generally thought. The change by and large was 0.0016, 1.58% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Algo in a kind of huge manner. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost $0.102, really greatest 0.109, kind of least 0.095, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, September 27. Cost $0.101, certainly greatest 0.108, certainly least 0.094, which really is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, September 28. Cost $0.106 in every practical sense, greatest 0.113, least 0.099. Algorand conjecture on Friday, September 29. Cost $0.103, fundamentally greatest 0.110, essentially least 0.096. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 2. Cost $0.106, extremely greatest 0.113, least 0.099, which really is genuinely critical. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, October 3. Cost $0.107, beautiful most extreme 0.114, lovely least 0.100, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4. Cost $0.109, kind of most extreme 0.117, truly least 0.101 in a kind of enormous manner. Algorand figure on Thursday, October 5. Cost $0.106, lovely greatest 0.113, by and large least 0.099, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, October 6. Cost $0.107, extremely greatest 0.114, least 0.100. In about 14 days Algorand figure on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.110, greatest 0.118, most certainly least 0.102, which basically is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.113, kind of greatest 0.121, kind of least 0.105, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $0.115, especially greatest 0.123, genuinely least 0.107 in a really significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.116, really greatest 0.124, for the most part least 0.108 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand gauge on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.112, really greatest 0.120, beautiful least 0.104, or so they certainly thought. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost $0.110, genuinely greatest 0.118, certainly least 0.102, or so they generally thought. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $0.107, really greatest 0.114, genuinely least 0.100, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $0.105, truly greatest 0.112, essentially least 0.098 in a huge way. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.109, lovely most extreme 0.117, truly least 0.101, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.109, greatest 0.117, lovely least 0.101 in an exceptionally significant way. In about a month Algorand figure on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.109, kind of greatest 0.117, for the most part least 0.101, exhibiting that Algorand cost expectation on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.109, really most extreme 0.117, least 0.101. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.109, genuinely greatest $0.117, truly least $0.101, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand figure on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.109, really greatest $0.117, least $0.101, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to algo today. United States dollars to algo conversion scale, fundamentally equivalent to 10.0311 coins per $1, most certainly further appearance how in about 14 days. Algorand figure on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.110, especially greatest $0.118, especially least $0.102 in an unpretentious way. Today's reach 9.7943 to 10.0381 in a kind of huge way. The past day's nearby 9.8717, or so they generally thought. Change for now plus 0.1594, plus 1.61%, or so they basically thought. United States dollars to algo cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 9.804 coins, all things considered, greatest 10.526, essentially least 9.174, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to algo expectation on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 9.901 coins, most extreme 10.638, in every practical sense, least 9.259. Dollar to Algorand figure on Thursday, September 28. Cost 9.434 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 10.101, kind of least 8.850, exhibiting that Algorand estimate on Friday, September 29. Cost $0.103, exceptionally greatest $0.110, truly least $0.096, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to algo expectation on Friday, September 29. Cost 9.709 coins, for the most part greatest 10.417, essentially least 9.091, or so they thought. And multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, October 2. Cost 9.434 coins, extremely greatest 10.101, kind of least 8.850 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to algo forecast on Tuesday, October 3. Cost 9.346 coins, for the most part greatest 10.000, sort of least 8.772, exhibiting how today's reach 9.7943 to 10.0381, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, October 4. Cost 9.174 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.901, essentially least 8.547, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to algo expectation on Thursday, October 5.